Hey guys, well it is that time of year. We're into December, the festive season, and some of us do a lot of baking and some of us don't. So I decided to show you how to do up a festive looking treat that's incredibly easy to make and so delicious. So let's get started. Okay, what I have here is some puff pastry. You can buy this in just about any store. So what we're going to do is just roll this out. I mean, you can make your own, but this stuff is really easy to work with. Next up, I'm going to grab a pizza cutter, you can use a knife too, and just kind of cut this into 4 even pieces. You don't have to get all crazy and measure it, just kind of eyeball it. After we're all rolled out, I'm going to take an egg wash, which is just an egg mixed with some milk, and go around the outside edges just to make sure it seals up when we fold it over. Like this type of thing, you don't have to be all fancy-dancy. And I don't know about you guys, but I just love puff pastry and it's so handy like this. Grab up some cherry pie filling. This is just stuff I bought at Walmart in a can. And just go ahead and put that cherry filling into the center of the puff pastry. Now here's the thing, cherry filling is just kind of boring on its own, so I'm going to take some crushed pistachios and just kind of spread them over the top. I mean, you could use walnuts, almonds, whatever you have on hand. Then simply latch onto one edge and just fold it over that filling and just put it to the other edge just so they match up. And of course we want to get them all nice and even here. Something like this. And then what you want to do is press down just to seal things up. Seal the deal. Of course you're going to go around and do all edges just so it looks real pretty and professional like. And of course keep going for all 4 puff pastry. This is about a tablespoon I'm putting in, and I guess you could use blueberry or apple too if you want. After we're all sealed up here, I'm going to take that egg wash and brush it over the top so it bakes nice and shiny and evenly and it looks really good. Next up, grab a good sharp knife and put a couple of slits in the middle just so it releases the air and that cherry pie filling oozes through when it bakes and looks ever so good. Alrighty then, we're just going to set these onto a baking tray. And of course I've lined this up with parchment paper. Now it's just a matter of slipping these into a 375 degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and puffy. After about 20 minutes, just look at this, my friends. Don't they look absolutely incredible? Something you'd find in a pastry or bakery shop, I would think anyway. But we ain't done yet, because I'm going to take some powdered sugar and just kind of sprinkle it over the top just for some extra sweetness and some extra, I don't know, oomph. Oh man, these are gonna be good. And there they be, guys, our simple and easy cherry turnovers. It doesn't get much better. And all the people are gonna say, where did you get these? What bakery? And you can say, oh, they were so expensive, and it's a secret. And if you do decide to make them up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and we will see you Sunday in the next video, which is going to be, by the way, the Forgotten Supper Grandma's Secret Stew, so stay tuned.